Don't bite my camera. Be nice.
Jeez.
Then go get your knee. I have to prop on somebody so I can use my camera. She got you. Jasmine. You got issues.
Pee all over you.
That's alright. It won't hurt you. Oh, she wants Ava now. So
That is why I don't like her.
She bites Ben. She does that just for attention. That's the only time she does it. It's really strange. I've never had a snake like that. That if you're ignoring her, she'll take a swipe at you to get your attention. It works.
The closest.
She definitely has Jade's personality. Absolutely has Jade's personality. If I walked past her,
she would try and bite me.
Yes, she will.
In the closest spot, so she would bite me in the leg.
She doesn't usually bite through clothing very well, but I don't want her to make a habit of it. It's a camera, silly woman. What a personality this child has. Oh, you're looking at my fingers, or are you after my camera? What?
See, I'm scared of that snake. I don't like her.
Why? She's not going to hurt you.
She's vicious.
She's not vicious.
She's vicious.
She just wants attention, that's all. I'm not vicious. If you ignore her, she'll bite you. That's how she is.
Ava's vicious. You're vicious with your face.
I would watch your
You like my camera? You're gonna be just like Chewy. Come right to my camera every time, huh?
I'm
Come
like
on by,
slowly
Ava.
inching my way.
Just move normal. If you act different, that's what'll attract her. Don't let her go too far like that with food in her stomach. She pooped on your finger too.
Because she's trying to get me. That's why she's moving so fast.
Carla's still in your dinner.
A small-ish one for this little pecker head over here.
Carla's still in your dinner.
You go right ahead.
Carla took your mouse and you struck at her. That's not ladylike. That wasn't nice at all. What a personality you've got, Jasmine.
Now she's trying to use her strength to get away.
She's like Chewy. She loves the camera. You're weirdo. Pick one. Just don't mistake
You're gonna try.
Don't mistake my finger for one. She's a camera hog, just like Chewy's always been.
She has a piece of hair hanging out of her mouth.
Jasmine?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Well, maybe not now. Yeah, it's gone. I don't see it. Well, it's gone. I just don't see it anymore.
I got it.
She got you. Watch your face.
Never mind, you little
I wouldn't trust her that close to my face just yet. She's a psycho. Look at your beard. She's trying to get your beard. Jasmine. You're silly, girl. Don't bite his beard. Look at her.
She doesn't like the way his beard feels, I don't think.
She just freaks right out. She's goofy.
Ah.
She acts like she's a spaz case. You're goofy. She's so vicious for being such a little girl. I can't believe it. She didn't like your beard at all, did she?
No.
Uh-oh. No, don't eat my camera. If you're hungry, there's a whole pan full of food down there. Never mind all these hard objects. You're not supposed to be eating those.
After me.
That's where she wants.
Occupado. No.
Biting Ben. She's like, I'm here. I'm little, but I want you to be sure you see me, so I'm going to snap at you every chance I get. Camera? You going to come get my camera? She's a trip. I've never seen a personality like she has. She's after the ball python, is what she's after.
I don't think so.
Yeah, she's watching that snake.
Because he's moving.
She would definitely attack him. That's big. I don't know about that.
She's like, is that food over there?
Nah, some of them are small. You're not going to bite my camera, Jasmine. Now stop. Quit being silly.
Gaming monitor. gaming monitor.
Yeah, expensive gaming monitor. This is a predicament. I got camera in one hand. Will you quit peeing? Stop. You're fine. Relax.
Maybe she'll pop out trying to come back.
Now stop. Relax yourself.
Wait, I'm not doing one yet.
Don't stand with the door open.
I'm trying to.
I'll go out when I'm done with this.
Get him, Jasmine. Go get him. So I get you. She's a prissy one, she is. Yeah, so I'm prissy. Yeah, I am. I'm fine. That's fine with Mama holding me. I'm alright. But she's not afraid of my camera anyway. Oh, she went after him. Eric just was too fast for you that time, girl.
Probably because I moved a little fast.
Yeah, you did, and it caught her attention when you moved so fast. Where'd he go? So I was just gonna strike at him when he was gone. Just that quick. Huh. So he just went out of sight that fast. You sure are pretty. You're a pretty girl. Yes, you are. You're beautiful. Yes, you are, Jasmine. She's looking everything over now. So I'm calmed down now. I'm alright. Carla doesn't want to hold you. She doesn't want you to bite her tonight. You're alright. Yeah, she's a good girl. She's a good girl. See, I'm calm. I'm calm, my mama. Huh. I love my moms. She just laid her head down on my leg. Usually if you get them in one spot and let them relax on their own instead of letting them run through your fingers, they'll calm down a lot quicker. It's when they're going back and forth through your fingers, it's like giving them a push, sorta, in a sense, you know what I mean? It's like you're giving them momentum that makes them want to go.
Yeah.
But if they're sitting still, that's when they'll calm down because you're not giving them momentum to get up and move. See how calm she is? So I'm fine. And it's freedom of choice. This is her choice. I'm not restraining her, I'm just keeping her from falling. So she's doing everything she wants to do on her own choice now. Free will. It gets you really far with snakes when you give them that option to express themselves like they feel like doing it. Like a snake would out in the wild. You know what I mean? See, I'm perfectly calm now. I'm doing fine. But if you keep letting her go through your hands, you're giving her that momentum that says, okay, keep moving, keep moving. But when you let them sit still like this, they don't have that motivation to keep going forward. Reticulated pythons will kill you doing that. They're very flighty. If you run them through your hands a lot, the smaller ones, they just keep going forward and up. They'll wear you right out. Jackal used to wear me out constantly. Carla remembers how big he was.
Yeah, he was huge.
I'll never forget the morning that he went in there to use the bathroom before he went to work. And he came flying out of the bathroom. He said, that goddamn snake. I said, what's wrong? And his jeans were down around his ankles.
And he lunged at the freaking...
He hit the glass, and Eddie almost peed all over himself. Yeah, he scared the crap out of Eddie. Eddie got so he wouldn't even go and use my bathroom because Jackal could tell my footsteps when I walked in the room from other people's. He went after, what's her name too, Nikki Ivani. Oh, he wanted to tear her up. Because he could tell my footsteps from anyone else's. If I walked in there, he was fine, but somebody else walked in the bathroom with me or behind me, Oh, he was fit to be tied, Jackal was.
Fit to be tied.
He was crazy.
I always thought that was a weird statement.
See how calm I am? You want to go see Carla for a little while?
No.
She turned right around, looked at you, and I said, you want to go see Carla?
That's all she wants from me.
No, she doesn't. She lets you hold her. So I'm fine now. I just have to... Yeah. So I'm a good girl. I really am. I mean no harm to anybody. I'm just a big show-off. That's all. You want to go back to see Ben for a while? This is kind of hard to do with one hand.
But I'm not gonna get bit.
No.
Yeah, I will.
Don't go for her head. Go where my hand is. You never grab them toward the head. Always get them...
She'll still bite me. She'll just loop
No, she
around into
won't.
my arm. Yeah, she will.
Walk around slow. Walk around slow behind her and just take over where my hand is and you'll be fine.
Maybe I actually have to get up.
Now she's coming after you. You're moving around a lot.
Oh, you come here, butt.
You're around me and I'm holding her, so she's going to charge at you. She's not going to hurt me and she's not going to hurt you. You need to quit doing that to everybody. So I got to be seen and heard because I'm... there she went. Oh, now she's going to come after me because she wants you. She's going to get my hand. Just take over where my hand is.
Yeah.
See, she's guarding me and protecting me. Look at her.
Ah! There it is.
Both hands.
Come on, you. Pain in my ass. Come on. Oh, sorry.
It's not that she doesn't like you because she bites you. It's she's very protective. Now, if I reach over there...
Sensitive area, man.
I know, she doesn't know the difference, though. If I reach over there toward you now while you're holding her, she'll strike me. She's very protective.
Calm down. Relax.
One hand, don't keep walking her through your hands because that's giving her momentum.
That's what I'm trying to get her to chill.
She will. Let her lay on you. Your leg.
Chill. No.
Jasmine.
She stopped and like sniffed at my leg and then she was like, ah, nom nom nom. Where are you going?
Now she'll calm down.
What you doing?
Hang tight onto her though. She's little. If she got down, I'd never find her.
She's fine.